So anyway, we're back and we're checking for brood and stuff. Seems like bees are out. And we hope to see that there will be, actually,
they've been drinking some of the syrup.
Appears to be that they have. They are currently active and have eaten the pollen
bees up
patty,
top, eating some of the pollen patty, not a lot.
which is maybe not of the best. Like we would like. Actually, they ate a bit more than I think that we thought they ate. Okay, so I will probably start from this end.
It's all gooey.
I think it kind of got a bit wet.
Well, maybe that, or just because it's hot in the hive.
There's more nectar. I don't see the queen or eggs, although there's empty spots here.
Is that? What's it right here where it's smoking?
That's just honey.
Just comb?
That's just honey.
Just weird. Okay. Okay. Let's set that frame here. Actually, I saw this too, that they're saying set the frame like this.
Okay, we can do that pretty easily. This is also
Yeah, I think we should use
lighter.
Older.
Nothing here either. Doesn't seem very good.
Okay.
Keep on moving. It's noticeably lighter. And I don't see the queen anywhere in sight. That's the reason that I didn't put it sideways, and that's why I leaned it on there so that.
Okay, I knocked into it though.
Still, no comb, no brood, nothing except bees, and only bees, and that's not very good. As we are looking for cells, and I'm not seeing that. I'm not seeing a white dot or keep on smoking my
frame?
yeah. Or any brood or anything like that.
Flip it? Or did you already check
I already
that
checked that.
Okay.
Let's see this side.
Okay, so far, this frame's not wired.
I know.
Maybe we should take it.
Okay, still no queen. This is pretty odd.
What? What are we seeing?
There appears to be only one egg, which in this, do you see it? Over here.
Is that an egg though? There's two, three, no, there is. There's a couple of them.
Those aren't eggs, there's only one egg. And to me personally, it looks more like
I don't know if it's an egg.
Yeah, to me it looks pretty suspicious of whether it is or it's not. Okay, I'm doing that, and I'm not seeing eggs anywhere or the queen anywhere, as far as I'm concerned. As about here, there's nobody in here, or here.
Let's check this end frame here. There's bees there.
But it's full of honey, but it's not full of any brood or anything.
So we don't have any queen.
We don't.
Where the hell did the queen go?
That I can't say, and my best guess.
Let's take out this frame.
My only guess is that she either died or they killed her, and the person I think is probably more likely that she died because that doesn't really matter because I'm not seeing her or signs of her of any kind.
Okay, I switched out 2 frames that are now wired. Let's put it back together, Wolf. So
Okay.
conserve the heat. Okay, this was the very end frame here.
Yeah, it was.
This one. Okay.
I'm not feeling very good about it, I must say.
No. Here, bring the smoker, please, so we can get this frame back in.
Okay. There's nobody on it, and I did not see the queen, and there's noticeably less bees.
So they're really bunched up right here. Let's see what's going on here.
There's nothing going on there. They just bunched up.
Yeah, they're not liking that either. Okay, smoke a little bit so we want to brush them down, and then maybe take the brush a little bit so I can get this frame in without damaging anybody.
Well, that's.
Do you want me to? Do you want to replace this frame too?
How many frames?
I only brought 2 down, but I can get another one.
No, I don't think we want to replace any more.
Okay. So there's only 2 frames. 3. No, there's 4. 1, 2, 3. 1. 2 frames left that are not wired. Okay. Put it back on?
Yep. Get the smoker. Still.
Here's what Burns said. Slide this thing, don't try not to crush any bees. Get these wires down.
Oh, by the way, the pollen pattern. Although that probably doesn't matter because I don't see any brood or queen or anything, so that's
Still gives them something to eat.
put it the wrong way.
Oh, maybe I'll fill this. It's gonna be cold again.
Either way, I'm not particularly.
We're without a queen.
Yes, that's my most educated guess as well, is that we don't have a queen because I'm not seeing her and I'm not seeing signs of her. And we are kind of limited on time considering that we're. Yeah.
Still, well, they just finished. They talking about having the next delivery of packages, so we're not that late. We're not, we're not any further behind than anybody else that's getting this third delivery.
Well,
okay.
Yeah.
Grab the cover, please, and so we can put that on right away. Okay. Go.
Well, yeah, that's kind of considering that, I must assume we did everything right. Obviously, we got our bees alive, but something happened to the queen. I really can't truly say what actually did happen to her. But it's quite possible that some frame squished her or something.
Are we still filming?
Yeah, we are. Anyway, so see you later. Maybe next time we're going to be installing the queen. We'll record that, so watch that out for that too. Bye.